Hey guys, welcome back again. We are on our journey. We are having another holiday. Yes, Michelle. So hey, I'm so happy today. Today I'm sitting like a queen and someone is driving me. Yeah, thank you. It's holiday time. Ich mag dich nicht rein. Gell? Want to go and eat something before we start our journey. Come, Michelle, come. Let's go and eat in Mulheim and then. Yeah. That our village, our city before going. Yeah, man. Yeah. Hotels. She loves hotels.
Yeah.
Tomorrow don't go and be following everybody to hotel. Every time hotel. Hey, das ist wie nicht offen aus.
Warum? Das ist es?
Ja.
Das ist nicht offen.
Sind die nicht mehr da? Komm. They are not there.
Wir gehen ja wahrscheinlich da über die Grenze in Neuenburg. Ne?
Ja.
Ja, dann fahren wir.
Well, let's go. Come.
She says she don't want to the whole wide world. From Lagos to London, Paris to Jamaica.
Today, Schneider, guys, we're here in Chinese restaurant. We want to eat before going, eh? Chinese restaurant.
Nicht bei Twitter wird dazu gehen. Das ist ein Vietnamese, das ist gar kein Chinese.
Doch, sie hat diese Hotel hier, wo ist sie?
Es kann sein, dass einer Chinesin das Hotel gehört, aber das Restaurant ist jetzt
Das hat sie gehört. Das hat sie gehört.
Das kann ja sein, dass es ihr gehört, aber Kochen und so, das machen Vietnamesen. Und ich sag dir das deshalb, weil jetzt die vietnamesische asiatischen Restaurants bei uns haben. Dann geben sie es aus als Sushi-Restaurant, da denkst du, es sind Japaner. Ich gehe da rein, begrüße die auf Japanisch und sage, nein, wir sind Vietnamesen. Und dann habe ich das kapiert. Das ist jetzt alles Asia Fusion nennt sich das. Dann machen sie vietnamesische Küche, thailändische Küche und sie machen Sushi. Also das ist ganz oft. Aber hier ist jetzt nur vietnamesisch. Asiatisch, dann haben sie natürlich auch so ein bisschen, wie die Deutschen halt chinesisch.
Haben wir uns getroffen wieder. Ich war mit Michelle. Dann die Michelle redet, sag es, Michelle, redest du Alemanisch? Redest du Dialekt?
So, was ist das für...
Wow.
Wir haben alle beide recht.
Nice Essen von die Omi. Yeah,
Jetzt kommen die anderen Sachen.
Nudeln? Ja, von den Kindern. Ja. Und ich Erdnuss. Erdnuss. That is for me, Michelle. You. Dankeschön.
Okay.
Oh, look at the food for my sonny man. Hey, that's super geil. Super nice.
Und du kriegst von dem Paar. Machst du das?
Ich mag das da.
Dann nimm.
Dann will ich sehen.
Oma,
Wo sind denn hier? Haben sie auch?
guck mal, hier
Hier
kann.
sucht man euch das Besteck raus. Mach halt mal ein bisschen drauf.
So yo guys, sorry for the Deutsch in between of this video, but anyway, you're going to hear a lot of maybe German. I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, we enjoy our food back to back in that Vietnamese. I was thinking it's Chinese because it was a Chinese woman who got that restaurant, but along the way they left. We asked the woman that served us food. They left and they knew people about 6 months in that restaurant, and that was why the argument with my family that it was Chinese, it was not Chinese. So anyway, we are now approaching, or we're already in Belfort in France. It's not really far from our home, but we're going to be in this city for 1 week. Is a very beautiful city, and you can see the weather is not that super good. We came into rain, and I just hope that the next days that we're going to be here, I pray that the weather is going to be nice, because this city is, in fact guys, is so beautiful. I cannot just wait to see go inside the city and then see what type of videos or how beautiful places look like in this place, and make the most amazing videos for you guys. But anyway, so in Europe, you see the buildings. If you like London, or if you go to Belgium, or if you go to Germany, if you go to Poland, if you come to France, in fact, almost everything, all the buildings look almost the same. So I just hope that I do some beautiful vlogs. We are here to just relax and enjoy ourselves before going back home. So kindly like the video, enjoy the vlogs with us, guys. And yeah, today is a vlog day as usual. So kindly like the vlog as we move ahead, as I always say.
She says she don't want to carry the whole wide world, from Lagos to London, Paris to Jamaica. But still they squat back home for village. No shame, just vibes.
Yeah. Why she they ask me if I get Lamborghini? Why she know ask them Zungu if he get Lamborghini? Tell me, black man no show up and salary slip, but white man fit come with expired drip. He no fine, he no fresh, he be uncle. Still she dey post and say to love, be humble. Oh why, my sister, why? You the forehand under open sky.
She meets me first question, how much you they make? Like love now something where they boil for cake. She no ask if I'm kind or if I feel brave. Just you get right, you they pop rose. But when them Zungu show with torn jeans and flat chest, she smile like say she win best actress. He gets very...
Wow, guys, first impression as we're just entering this city. All I can say now, we are just entering. We have not even gone anywhere. We have not even gone to our Airbnb, guys. We are just trying to find where our Airbnb is. We are just entering the city. Even these places we are passing, we don't know anywhere yet. But my impression about this city, despite the fact that it's raining, I can really say it from the depths of my heart, that is a very, very beautiful city. Anyway, let us just be searching and see where our Airbnb is. We don't know. We are searching and it's raining everywhere. You see the mountain there? That is the real cocoa in this city. Now we are almost back inside the city again, searching for this place. So but anyway, we shall find it. Look at this European building, old building, and beautiful. These are the type of buildings I really love from the depths of my heart. Most of these modern buildings, I don't really like them, but you see these old buildings, maybe buildings during the war, or you can say anything you want to say, but these are the type of buildings I like. Anyway, guys, come with us as we search for our Airbnb.
Was sagt ihr, Paul? Ja, wir fahren jetzt hier rechts und links, dann wieder...
She says she don't want to carry the whole wide world, from Lagos to London, Paris to Jamaica. But still they squat back home for village. No shame, just vibes.
Yeah. Why she they ask me if I get Lamborghini? Why she know ask them Zungu if he get Lamborghini? Tell me.
Come. Right here, we have open kitchen here. Beautiful. Oh, wow. Look at that. I'm coming. This is the sitting room. Wait, let me see. There's a room up there. Wait, let me see. Wow. Wait, I'm coming. Here, I can be editing my videos here. Wow. Ja, magelijk aan. Then here. Wow. Another bathroom here in the room. Wow. Wow, that's for shower. My baby is so excited to show.
Okay. Waschmaschine.
Yeah, wash machine, girl.
Oh, that's a party. Oh, that's... Oh, what's it? Oh, my daddy.
Now let's go. Oh, guys, look at this beautiful home. There is super passion. Cook my vibes do wheels, okay? Welche du willst? Ich schlafe in meinem eigenen Bett. Let's see. Storage. Here's the guest toilet for the guest. And then here, ooh, another banger. This is the room I want. This one is 70. Vati, Michelle, I'm coming. Wow. Look at how beautiful it is. So, my children were really disturbing now. I'm like alone here. Michelle is still here. Paul is down with the grandmother to carry something. So, I really want to do the house tour. This is the guest toilet. That's for the guest. And then from here, you come to the first room. That's the first room. Yeah, you come here. This is where the grandmother will be sleeping. Yeah, the first room is so beautiful. We have cupboard here. And then this first room also have a bathroom with a bath. Wow, this is beautiful. Clean towels. That's the bath. Beautiful shower. Look at how beautiful this is. Look at how beautiful it is. So that's the first room. And then I'm going to my room. Here we have a cupboard also. We have the dining room here. Wow, beautiful. That's our fruits that we brought with us. Beautiful. Stoves for the kitchen. We also brought our eating things. Not me, the grandmother always bring things. Yeah. And here we have the pots. We have open kitchen. From the kitchen, that's the sitting room. And then, yeah, we have some cupboard here to keep things here. Okay, here that's the water controller. We have coffee machine. We have water boiler. They won't keep some coffee for us. Hey, okay, that's great. Here we have also kitchen stove. You can cook your food back to back. Here we have dishwasher. Yeah, man. I was here also kitchen stoves. Here we have the microwave in the kitchen, and that's the fridge. Freezer, we have put some of our things with. Today is Sunday, so we just brought some little things from home. And then let me go to the room upstairs. When you come, you go upstairs like this. Wow, look at this beautiful. This is live flower. It's not rubber. And then you go to the room. So here we have like a study place and children play. Wow, look at this, beautiful. So this one is my room and Michelle. Yeah, we have. We have extra bed here. We have to, yeah, we have to. Okay, we have to dress the other bed for Paul. Yes, I'm coming. And then in this room, we have a bathroom. And here, can you imagine? Beautiful. We have a dryer and we have washing machine. And then we have a shower here. Here in this room, we don't have a bath. But most importantly, guys, in this house, we have 2 bathrooms and guest toilet. That's like 3 toilets, which is very, very good. Michelle, you're already arranging your things. Look at how my baby girl is powerful. Yeah, du musst aufpassen da, bevor du das auf dem Boden. Aufpassen hier. Genau. So that's our house tour in our Airbnb from here up. That's the sitting room. Yeah. Beautiful, very beautiful house. So the next videos will come with the next vlog, and this one vlog that we came, that's the end of the vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for your love, for your kindness, and thank you for watching the video. If you watched till this moment, God bless you, and see you in another vlog. Bye bye.